Okay, this video is about the USB switch. And this is a Ugreen 2-computer 4-port switch. So this part right here is where you connect the computer. So you see number 1 in the left, and then on the right you see number 2. So those connect to different computers, and then the back of it, like right there, if you can see that or not, you can see 4 ports. These are where you can hook up your USB devices. For this one, I hooked it up to my gaming mouse, which is shared between 2 computers. On this computer, I have my switch set up here, and it's connected to my printer, and that's my printer, the gray cable, and the black cable you see right there, that's connected to my scanner. And right now both computers are on, and they're sharing a KVM unit, which enables me to switch to a different computer just by pressing the KVM switch, which I did right there. Now I'm back to this computer. So if I want to share the scanner and printer and to a different computer, you just press the button right here to switch between computers, and now you hear that those devices are active in this computer. Now I'm going to go to the other computer and do the same thing. So I'm going to press that button again. So now it's going to switch to the current computer that I switched to. You hear that? Okay, now it's connected to this computer. So I could use a scanner and a printer on this computer. So I could just switch between computers, and I think that's pretty valuable if you're using 2 computers via KVM. You want to be able to share devices between the 2 machines, and you could use it for a different application as well. You could use it between 2 computers to share like USB devices and stuff like that, which could be useful. And thing only costs like $23.99 on Amazon plus tax. They do have 2 computer, like 1 or 2 USB device units, but I prefer that one because I have an option to add more stuff in there. Okay, thanks for watching.